guys, it's Riya here and welcome back to my channel, My Perfume Diaries. In today's video, I'm going to talk about Crystal White, and this one is from the house of Carni Sento. Now this perfume is crafted in India and it is super duper budget friendly. So I have tested and tried it for you guys and I wanted to share my review with you guys. So let's begin. Before I do so, make sure कि आपने मेरे channel पे subscribe कर लिया है, you hit the bell notification and you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. Let's start off with the packaging. It comes in this very beautiful blush white and pink box with golden details. It is see-through and you can definitely see the perfume inside, and then you have all the details behind the box like the caution, warning and manufacturing details. Now this is a 100 ml bottle that you see here and this is priced at 1199 rupees. On discount it is available at 600. Now it is available at carnisento.com, which is their official website, and all the other e-commerce websites. On opening this one, just slide it open and this is how the perfume bottle is sitting right here, and this is how the perfume bottle looks like. Now it's a very beautiful, again, that peachy pink color with golden details on it. Cap is also golden and so is the atomizer. The cap is very tightly fit in here, like very tight, so it's very good and very travel friendly. And once you open it, this is how the atomizer is. Also please note that this is a nice and thick glass bottle, so overall the packaging, the quality and the way it looks is very cute and nice. Now this is how the sprayer is. It diffuses the product really well, and this perfume is a very beautiful green, floral, woody kind of a fragrance. It also is slightly soft, spicy in nature. Now coming to the notes breakdown, this one starts with a very beautiful and a calming note of lavender, mixes up with some green and citrus nuances of bergamot, and then has this luscious juniper berries. This overall gives it a very calming, a very mature, a very zesty, fresh opening. Then it has a soft spiciness of cardamom, mixing up with some green nuance of cypress and some floral nuances of violets. These three notes, they are most significant in this fragrance. This one is a very delicate, very feminine, very classy, a very elegant scent profile that I recommend wearing during office hours or during casual events. This is so non-offensive, plus it is so fresh and so soapy that it will give you that clean girl vibe, and it's effortlessly classy and effortlessly elegant vibe is what you're getting out of this. Think of wearing soft pastels and formal pants and carrying your Zouk bag or your laptop bag and looking all professional, presentable, clean, classy, out and about, professional girl. I think it has a very it girl vibe to it. Longevity of around 8 to 10 hours with around 8 to 10 sprays. So I'll say that this is very good performer in terms of longevity. Also the projection and sillage is medium to loud based on the number of sprays that you go with. I usually go with around 10 sprays of this one, and this leaves a beautiful scent trail. It creates a good scent bubble around me, and this is a people pleaser because this is very non-offensive and very classy. This gets asked as to what I am wearing. Overall, what I'll say is, since this is on discount and it's available for like 600 rupees and you're getting 100 ml of this perfume, if you are into clean, pink, soapy fragrances with some floral nuances, this is a very good clean girl perfume option available. Overall, for the pricing, for the quality and for the scent profile with some hint of uniqueness, it's crafted in India, it's budget friendly, and the perfume really suits the Indian weather. So that's my overall rating and that's my overall take on Crystal White from Carni Sento. So that's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed watching this one, and if you did, hit the like button. Do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and I'm gonna see you very soon in my next video. Bye!